I am extremely proud of these our ladies right here. I know most of you might have seen this victory that our ladies got recently, 3 weeks ago. I will leave you to watch it, but I want to say two things that matters so much to me. I want to talk about that resiliency of our people. Just watch and put your comment down below. I need to see you thank God for these people's life. In this our lowest level, we are still proud of our country, proud of ourselves individually and collectively. How much more if we are let to fly, if we are allowed to excel the way God has made it? Before I play the video for you, let's see this write-up. Nigeria Tigress won their fourth consecutive Afrobasket title in 2023 by defeating Senegal 84-74. It's clear defeat. The competition was held in Kigali, Rwanda. With this victory, Nigeria team coach Rena Wakama becomes the first female coach to win the tournament. This is wonderful. This lady just started doing great, and before you know it, she is now on the top. I pray for her, and I know. First watch the video. Victory can be very nice. There's nothing like victory. Victory. When you test one, you will be happy to have it always. It's not easy. They are proud of our country. They don't care. Despite all the odds. Look at the joy. This is their coach. This is groove. We are born to rejoice. You guys will go far. Let me forward when they did their cup handover. You see, they hand over the cup. If these guys can do this, despite all this, so I want to talk about the resilience. When we talk about this, sometimes we take it for granted. It's actually a gift. You can get it from nowhere. Only we know how much God has blessed us individually first. Then we talk about the community or as a body, as the nations, as people of color. We are definitely neglecting our blessing because you have to shine irrespective of the barriers. You have to shine no matter where you are. Do your best to shine. Do your best to shine. Don't let anything keep you down. We have it in us. It's our DNA to be victorious, to do better than we were doing yesterday. So I wish you best and may you rejoice with them. Put your comment down below, compliment them somehow. They will eventually see it. The more you compliment others, the more you yourself will be complimented. You yourself will be having the morale to strive forward. And click the like button so that it will trigger the algorithm to help my channel. Thank you and remain blessed.